everybody. Welcome to MTTI's open house. My name's Anya. I am the admissions rep for the electrical program, and I'm gonna take you on a tour of our shop and our classroom here at Water Street down in East Providence. So come on with me. So first, we're just gonna take a pit stop here at the classroom. So as you can see, there are 30 chairs in here. We like to keep the classroom size small. We cap at 18 students, so we have a strong student to teacher ratio. So we're gonna have 1 instructor in the classroom and 2 in the shop for the hands-on skills. Because we do assume you know nothing coming into the class, the first couple weeks might be a little bit more in here, getting going, learning the material, and then we'll slowly start getting out into the shop for the hands-on skills. You are gonna have your tests, your quizzes, your homework, just like any other class. Multiple choice, true and false, short answer, diagrams, things like that. No long essays or papers to take home, so that's always good. And then no gen ed classes either, so no history, science, language arts. You will have a good amount of math involved, I'm not gonna lie. So just get ready for some math because it is the nature of the trade, code calculations, fractions, blueprints. So we're gonna move into the shop space, so you can follow me. So the first half of the program, you're gonna do all residential. So you're gonna actually learn how to wire an entire house, start to finish. So bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, dining room, ceiling fan, light fixture, outlet, recessed lighting, washer, dryer, you name it. You're doing it all. That's gonna be all the residential commercial side, and the second half of the program is gonna be doing commercial. So if you follow me down a little bit further, I'll show you a module here for a student's project. You'll be working with the MC cable wiring here. It's going to be more on the low voltage end, security systems, fire alarms, and you even get to do a little bit of solar at the end. So it's a really cool aspect of the program. We like to expose you to a lot of different areas of the electrical trades, so then you get to see what you like and what you may want to do ultimately in the end. So we'll keep moving through the shop. All right, so we have Eric here. He's one of our students. He's actually gonna show us his tool set because every student gets their own set of tools. They're yours for the duration of the program, yours for your internship, and then if you qualify for them, you actually get to take them all home with you at the end. So it's a nice incentive to want to do well and hopefully take them home because you can never have too many tools. They are expensive. So, hey Eric, check out your tools.
Sure. So I got my level here to make sure my boxes are level. Diamond pliers, one of the most used tools by electricians. Cable strippers, wire strippers, long nose pliers, all different sizes, flatheads, Phillips heads. I even personally went out and bought a set of ratcheting screwdrivers. All your testing tools like non-contact voltage testers, and yeah, that's about what we carry on us regular. We have a tape measure too to make sure that we get everything at the right height. Receptacles at 18 and switches at 48.
So awesome. How do you like them so far?
I love them.
Yeah.
Klein's the best brand.
Okay, good. So yeah, great opportunity, and it's nice that you get to work with them for the 6 months that you are here. Take them out on your internship, and like I said, something to work towards.
Yeah.
All right, awesome. We do go live, so safety is very important. So once we have your wired scenario up, your instructor will come over, unlock your lockbox. If it turns on, great. If not, you got to troubleshoot and figure out why not. So a lot of trial and error, hopefully making more mistakes here at the school, learning it on, and not as much on your company's time and dollar once you get out into the industry and actually working. With the drop ceiling, it's going to be a little bit more on the commercial low voltage end. Like I mentioned, you're going to be doing security systems, fire alarms, and up on the roof of this, it's a slant pitch, and you're going to do about 90 hours of solar before you head out on an internship. It's an awesome program, a lot of hands-on skills, so if this is something that you like and you want to check it out, come take a in-person tour, and we'll get you ready for a class starting soon. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions. Again, my name's Anya, and I'm the admissions rep for the electrical program. Thank you.